recently this year we got this brand new welding shop. It's the first welding shop in Hampton history, and it's awesome. Arguably the best thing that happened to Hampton High.
I just want to say thank you for this program because it's made me want to pursue welding in the future, and it makes me want to come to school. I know I get to spend time in the job.
Welding is a great experience, and I love the class. It was probably the most useful thing that I've learned this semester.
Okay, yeah, so the new welding shop at Hampton High School has been extremely beneficial for not only the subset of the shop kids, but all kids in general. It's awesome to see. I've heard some kids even say that this is the reason that they come to school, or they get up in the morning and they come in. So it's you can see that it's helping them in all aspects of their school dynamics. But as soon as they get in and they can actually apply and they can actually work with their hands, they absolutely excel. And it's awesome just to see kids come in with a passion and a desire to be here every day and apply what they know and apply what they learn. And yeah, can't thank all of the members and all of the people who donated enough. It's been awesome.
Hampton High School would really like to thank the CWA, the Canadian Welding Association, for their sponsorship of our welding program. You've absolutely made a tremendous difference to our school, and it's so nice to see the passion that this has sparked in some of our students. And you'll never know how much we appreciate it, and it absolutely has changed lives. And thank you from Hampton High School.
Okay, I'm currently a student at MBCC. I was in the welding program here last year. It's my break right now, but I decided to come back. I love welding that much.
Thanks to Irving and the CWB Welding Foundation, we've got kids who want to come to school now, want to be here all the time, want to work. I've got some of the best attended classes in the school here, where 2 years ago there was nothing here. This was a fitness center. Now it's a welding lab, and we're doing all kinds of things here with the kids, and the kids are excited to come here every day, work hard. They want to come in at lunch, they want to come before school, they want to stay late. Excited to be here working on everything they can each and every time, and they want to learn more, and they want to keep coming back to do more and progress further and further and further.
I want to be a pipe fitter, so I'm going to use these skills of this class to pursue in a career.
Been welding for 2 years now. I hope to pursue welding past my career, take it up in MBCC. The shop's changed a lot from the pictures that I've seen. It's a great shop now.
Just really appreciative of the CAWA and Irving Oil and Jacobs and our district giving us upgrades here at Simons High School. From our shop that we had before to what we have now is just leaps and bounds. So beneficial for our students. Can't thank everybody enough for what you've done for the school.
It's a good course. I'm taking 2 more classes on it next semester. The lab's a lot better than it used to be now. A lot better ventilation and stuff. A lot more like cool for welding.
I plan on taking welding in MBCC or at Ready Air.
Upgrades to the new lab behind us has just been phenomenal. Quite pleased with it. We have 15 bays, 15 booths, a big fabrication area, lots of storage now. It's much safer. I think the kids enjoy it more. It's not as cramped. And just overall, it's just been a great addition to the school and really to the community.
The opportunity to upgrade to the shop we have now has been imperative for some of our kids, and it's been a great opportunity for them. We've had more students involved, greater number of students wanting into the courses, and it's giving our students the opportunity to work with top-end equipment and experience what it's like in some real-world situations and hands-on, which is critical for some of our students to come to school and be involved.
It is my pleasure to say a big thank you on behalf of Anglophone South School District to the Canadian Welding Bureau and Irving Oil for their partnership and their collaboration with district staff and Department of Education staff to do an upgrade of welding facilities in 3 of our high schools and to construct a new facility at a 4th high school. And certainly from these partnerships, and we're fortunate to have many partnerships in our district, it is our students and our staff who benefit. I will say that in our district, a priority and a focus is the engagement of students and how to keep them connected to the school. And at the high school level, sometimes that can be a challenge for us because some students have interests in a range of areas, from science and mathematics to art and music, entrepreneurial adventures, and skilled trades. And it's having state-of-the-art facilities such as we have now in these 4 high schools that will certainly benefit our students. So thank you on behalf of our school district.